Good morning, everyone. My name is Navateja. So, yesterday we have discussed one topic, right, about definitions of trigonometric ratios. Now, just we will see two more examples to find how the trigonometric ratios will work. Okay. After that, we will move on to the angles, right? So, now let us see the problem. Just one or two examples I will explain, and I will move on to the next topic. So see the problem here. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle, XZ is 17 centimeters and YZ is given 15 centimeters. We have to find sin X, cos Z and tan X. So now see the problem. What is that? In triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle. Angle Y is right angle means what is the type of triangle? The type of triangle is right angled triangle. So right angle is at Y. So here X, Y and Z. So see the measurements given. XZ is how many centimeters? 17 centimeters and YZ is how much? 15 centimeters. We have to find XY. How we will find XY? We all know very well. We will use by using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Yesterday we have discussed, right? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So hypotenuse square. What is hypotenuse given here? 17. 17 square is equal to side is how much? Sides are what? XY and YZ. XY we have to find out, right? So XY square plus what is YZ? YZ means 15 square. 17 square is how much? We have to be perfect in square roots, okay? So 17 square is 289, XY square plus 15 square is how much? 225. Make this plus 225 this side. It will become minus 289 minus 225 is equal to XY square. 289 minus 225, 64 is equal to XY square. Then XY is equal to what? Square root of 64. Then XY is equal to 8 centimeters. So what is the value of XY we got? 8 centimeters. If any of the measurement is missing, you can find by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what are the values he is asking us to find out? Sin X. How we will find sin X? What is the formula of sin? Yesterday we have discussed. What is the formula of sin? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. In the place of theta, what is given here? X. So sin X is equal to what is the opposite side of this angle? What is the opposite side of X? YZ. Sin X is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? XZ. So sin X is equal to how much? 15 centimeters by 17 centimeters. Anyway, centimeter and centimeter will be cancelled. It will be 15 by 17. Next what we have to find? Cos Z. Now the angle is changed, right? What is the value? Cos Z. What is cos theta formula? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So for angle Z, what is the adjacent side? Here for angle Z, what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is YZ, right? YZ by XZ. So here also you will get what? Same 15 by 17. Next, what is asking? Tan X. So how we will find tan X? Tan formula is what? What is the formula of tan? Tan X. What is the formula of tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. So for X, what is the opposite side? YZ. Next, for X, what is the adjacent side? XY. So what is the value? 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters means 15 by 8. So in this way you can find all the 6 trigonometric ratios, right? You can find anything, just this is an example. Okay, understood all of you? Based on yesterday's trigonometric ratio definition, we are doing this problem. So first, what is that? In triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle. So he is giving only two measurements, two sides, that is XZ and YZ. We should find what? XY. For finding XY, what we are doing? We are using Pythagoras theorem. What is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So we got xy value is how much? 8 centimeters. By using these three values, you can find any trigonometric ratio because you are with the formulas, right? You can find sine, cos, tan. So my question is, what is cot x value? How you can find cot x? If tan x is 15 by 8, then what will be cot x? Reciprocal, right? Yesterday we have discussed. Reciprocal means 8 by 15. Like this, you can find all the trigonometric ratios by using the values. Okay, let us move on to the next one. This is the next one. So see the question. In right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C. Always remember, when we are solving the ratio problems, trigonometric ratios, you have to observe where is the right angle, where he is giving the right angle. Okay, right angle is at what? C, and he is giving some information here. See, BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters, BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. We have to find sin A and tan B. So how we can find? First, go through the information. What he is saying in right angle triangle ABC. So there is a right angle triangle ABC where he is giving the angle. Right angle is at C. So right angle is at C. You can make A and B anywhere, or here also A and B you can take. Okay. So what is he saying? What is the given information? BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters. Take it as equation number 1. Okay. Next, BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. Take it as equation number 2. Solve these two equations. Add these two equations. You can cancel plus CA and also minus CA. BC plus BC. BC plus BC is how much? 2BC is equal to 23 plus 7. 23 plus 7 is how much? 30 centimeters. So if 2BC is equal to 30 centimeters, BC is equal to 30 centimeters by 2 means 2 ones are 2 15s are. BC is equal to how much? 15 centimeters. Okay, we got the value of BC. What is the value of BC? 15 centimeters. Next, what value we want? We want the value of CA. Substitute in any of the equations. Okay, take second equation. What is the second equation? From equation 2, BC minus CA is equal to how much? 7 centimeters. Okay, so what is the value of BC here? 15. Substitute here. 15 minus CA is equal to 7. Make this minus CA this side, it will become plus CA. Make this plus 7 this side, it will become minus. Okay, so 15 minus 7 is equal to CA. CA is equal to how many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Okay, CA is equal to 8 centimeters. Next, what is asking us to find out? Sin A and tan B. For finding that, we want this one also, no, hypotenuse also we want. So by again Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is hypotenuse here? AB. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. We have to find the value of AB, right? AB square is equal to AC value is how much? 8 centimeters means 8 square plus BC is 15 square. 8 square is how much? AB square is equal to 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225. 225 plus 64 will be 289. AB is equal to square root of 289, that is 17 centimeters. So what we got the value 17 centimeters. So now what we have to find? Sin A. What is the value? What is the formula of sine? Opposite side by hypotenuse, right? So for A, what is the opposite side? 15. What is the hypotenuse? 17. So sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Next, tan B. So the angle is at B. If the angle is at B, what is tan formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side here? 8 centimeters. What is adjacent side here? 15 centimeters. So tan theta is equal to opposite, so tan B. Tan B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side means 8 by 15. Understood all of you? In right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C and he is giving two equations. First we have to solve that equation and you will get the values of BC and also CA. After getting the values of BC and CA, you have to find the third side in order to get the ratio of sin A. Okay, so for finding sin A, we are taking Pythagoras theorem. We got the value of AB. If he is asking only tan B, so there is no need of finding this Pythagoras theorem. If tan B is there, you can directly write this one. No need of hypotenuse, right? So he is asking sin A. That's why we are finding hypotenuse. So value of sin A is how much? 15 by 17 and value of tan B is 8 by 15. Like this, the trigonometric ratio problems will be there. If any kind of problems are there, if any kind of doubts are there in this trigonometric ratio problems, please comment me in your comment box. In my comment box, I will solve it and I will give it for you. Now let's move on to the topic which I have expressed yesterday. What is that? 0 to 90 degrees angles of trigonometric ratios and the geometrical proof of 0 to 90 degrees. Let's move on to the topic.